Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Landlord, this is the device that you need and you require in order to fill your obligation for your fire safety in terms of your tenants. We're going to show you how we install this without tearing down your ceilings and do it for a fraction of the price. Stay tuned. Alright, so we've taken, these are the old ones. They said the minimum is 150 millimeters for the smoke alarm. Okay, hi, I'm Denise from Royale Installation, and today we're going to speak about early detection of fire and warning. These devices are designed to give us a quick exit in the event of a fire. This particular system we're going to talk about is a LD2 system. So with this, it comes with an interlink, comes with a power backup, so in the event of a fire all of the devices warn each other. But this one is, we're going to do this as a module, so it will be a wireless system, and these are the devices that help landlords a lot in the event of retrofitting, so they don't have to worry about getting the cable from one alarm to the other. We're going to show you how we do that. Alright, so we've taken, these are the old ones. Alright, so installation in here. Finger. That's my finger there. The advantage of having small hands. There. That's it there. So I'm going to take this one back down and tie it onto here. Sharp master. Can still come a bit forward. Sorry. They said the minimum is 150 millimeters for the smoke alarm to the light. I've got the cable here like this now. Yeah. I think it should hold. I need a bit of tape. My colleague's gone to get it, but I'm hoping that when he comes, this is already inside. You got it? Yeah, it's all right. There you go. That's it. Woo! There we are. this one will go in here, and we're going to connect it. I've got magnet downstairs, you know. That's the whole purpose of the magnet, for these things. Let me see if I can cover up that black mark so it doesn't show too much. Nice piece of timber there. That is it. And then the connection, and that's the last part done.
We have two options for this installation. The first is the dedicated FA circuit, which requires physical wiring to connect each smoke alarm at its designated location. The second option, which we'll be using for this property, is a wireless method. It eliminates the need for cables, making installation quicker and cleaner, but requires a module to transmit the wireless signal. Getting the ICO A 3016 smoke alarms and other necessary materials ready for the installation. I make sure to power off the fuse before installing the smoke alarms to avoid any electrical hazards. This protects me from shocks or short circuits while I'm working. After installation, I turn the fuse back on to test the alarm and ensure it's working properly. This way, I know the system is installed correctly and ready to protect. The ICO A 3016 is an optical smoke alarm designed for reliable fire detection in residential and commercial settings. It uses advanced optical sensing technology to detect smoke particles in the air. The ICO A 3014 is a heat alarm designed to detect rapid temperature increases caused by fire. It is commonly used in areas where smoke alarms may cause false alarms, such as kitchens or garages.
can go in there. And I can talk about a lot of the regulations. Yes, it's funny really, because they don't like the connections open, yeah, in the ceiling. The regulation says that anything that, if there is a fire, the constraint should be made of metal, but yet still, they still allow plastic chop boxes as part of the installation. All right. Okay, we've installed 6 smoke alarms in this property and 1 heat detector. The whole system is interlinked with a battery backup and with the module. This will make sure that you're complying with the law in terms of your fire.